Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and another new AI tool review. Today we're going to talk about the AI tool PlayHT, wherein you can clone your own voice for free or use any other voiceover artist's voice, and you can use really ultra realistic kind of voices when you use this particular AI tool. Now, before I can proceed with the details, I request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram because that's the place where you can get most of the updates. Now, coming to the website, when you come to the website play.ht, you'll be leading that, of course, after signing up, you'll be leading to this page. So there is a try new editor option. So when you click on that, when creating a file, you would be transferred to this particular page over here. So here you can go and create a clone normally. So I've just kept some sample text. What I'm going to do is artificial. I'll create create a new file. Okay, so this is the voice artist over here. You can choose any accent, any age, gender, tempo, loudness, etc. Now here there is an option between stock and clone. So by default you will see stock over here, and if you have cloned anything, the free version allows you to clone one voice. I have cloned my own. I'm going to show you the sample of the same. So for starters, we'll choose Evelyn over here.
If you want to achieve extreme success, you can't operate like everybody else and settle for mediocrity.
Confirm. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and paste my small content and click on generate. So in the meanwhile, while it generates, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to voice cloning, and we'll come back here once the voice is generated. So you can clone your own voice. I have generated, you can see over here, I have cloned my own. So what you need to do is you need to create on click new. So instant 30-second video. So you see that I have already cloned one, so I can't clone more. So once you have cloned your voice, basically you need to upload a 30-second audio file and your voice will be cloned. Now you can use this particular voice to create any text. Like, let's go and check out over here whether this is done. Okay, so Evelyn is ready. Let's click over here.
Artificial intelligence of a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. AI research has been highly successful in developing effective techniques for solving a wide range of problems, from game playing to medical diagnosis.
So you see, this is how you can just put on any text. You can write any text and generate a AI voice, or you can go to ChatGPT and pick up any subject and paste it over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this voice and use my clone voice instead. So I'm going to use my voice and see here, voice in use, and say confirm. Now I'll need to regenerate it. So once we regenerate, we'll go to where it is. So you can see in your free version you get only one voice cloning option over here. So let's close this. We have seen that option. And amongst the non-English voices, if you click, it will ask you to go back to the legacy mode, which is the old mode which is there. So there we will go and we'll check out a non-English video too. So as it is generating over here, what we will do is we'll go to Google Translate, and the same context, the same content I have already pasted over here. I'll come over here to Google Translate, copy the language. I have to choose this Hindi. So I'll come over here, create a video. This is the old mode, use standard voices. Okay, so here you see the voices by default will be English, so I have chosen Hindi over here. and it shows these are premium voices. I'll just select Deepa over here and confirm, and then I will again paste my content over here. So the output will be mp3, and what I'll need to do is again convert to speech. So as this is progressing processing over here, so we'll move over here and check out. Now the earlier was a AI voice, now you would be able to hear my cloned voice. I guess there's some issue, so what we'll do is we'll regenerate it. I had this issue once even while I was testing. In the meanwhile, we'll go back to the Hindi one and let's see whether it's done.
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एआई कंप्यूटर विज्ञान की एक शाखा है जो बुद्धिमान एजेंटों के निर्माण से संबंधित है, जो सिस्टम है जो तर्क कर सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं और स्वायत्त रूप से कार्य कर सकते हैं। गेम खेलने से लेकर चिकित्सा निदान तक कई प्रकार की समस्याओं को हल करने के लिए प्रभावी तकनीक विकसित करने में एआई अनुसंधान अत्यधिक सफल रहा है।
So you see over here that we have a limit of 10,000 words in the free version. So quite some decent numbers, if you want to do some testing and all. So there's something called ultra realistic new voices. So let's say create audio. Let's test these two. And I'll put the English content and generate. Go back to see whether the cloned part is working now. Strange, for some strange reasons, this doesn't seem to be. What we'll do is go to the clone, voice cloning. What I have tested out, it 90% matches the voice. So for a free app, I think it's great. So let's generate it here.
Artificial intelligence, AU, is a branch of computer
So
science
this
that
was
deals with the creation of
the
intelligent agents, which are
option which
systems
they
that can
talk of
reason,
ultra
learn, and
realistic
act
voices.
autonomously.
So you can see the
My
voice over
research
here.
has been highly successful in developing effective techniques for solving a wide range of problems, from game playing to medical diagnosis.
So I didn't find much of a difference between an AI voice and an ultra realistic kind of a voice over here. Coming back to the cloning part which I wanted to show you, I will use my voice. And now I'll paste the content. Generate. Let's see if it works this time or not. So as I had mentioned to you, there is a limit of characters. Now 9,000 odd are remaining. So if you want higher limits, you can go for the paid version too. So let's wait a minute. Let's see with this. Unfortunately, there seems to be some issue over here. Now let's go untitled here. I had created this some time ago, Larry. No, these are the recent created ones. For some strange reasons, they don't seem to be working. So let's go to the
Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. Our research has been highly successful in developing effective techniques for solving a wide range of problems, from game playing to medical diagnosis.
So this is my voice clone. You can see over here, which I have used over here. I've chose, and I am pretty much happy with the output over here. As I had mentioned to you, it comes close to 90% match, which is there, which is really great. A decent amount of words which you can use. So yes, I would definitely recommend this particular site over here. Now, if you want to go in for the premium version, play.ht, what are they offering? So pricing, if you see over here, if you pay yearly, you save 40%, and there are various plans over here, and you can choose the one which suits you best. You have voice clones for $5.4 per month. You have 5 instant voice clones, 120,000 words per year, 600,000 words per year, pro level 200,000 words per year, and there's a custom pricing and all. So do let me know your feedback about this particular site and about this review video, and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And before winding up, a humble request: if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.